welcome to my another one video of the Champion Legends, guys. I done one more songs. Okay, guys. Next video it's for fishing simulator. Now I can don't know the I don't know this name of the game, guys. I really like wait. Oh no. Okay, guys. Next day, yeah, sorry. Last video, I unlocking level 50, no, 17 FC. Yeah, I have level 3. Oh my gosh, I'm not from ENG, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't like it. Mm, okay, see, I unlocking. Okay, okay, guys. Next video, I'm tell if I. Okay, guys. Today I'm playing with my friends David 119. If you where are you, my friend? Okay, guys, right, it's my friend Czech Republic. Oh my gosh, it's so stupid. Right here video, guys. Okay.
Each morning I get out my diary, can barely stand on my feet. Take a look in the mirror and cry. Lord, what you doing to me? I have spent all my years in believing you, but I just can't get no relief. Lord, somebody, ooh, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? I work hard every day of my life. I work till I ache my bones. At the end of the day, I take home my heart away. Oh, tired out, my knees not straight away, till the tears run down from my eyes. Oh, somebody, ooh, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? He works hard every day. I tried, but everybody wants to put me down. They say I'm gone crazy. They say I got a lot of water in my brain. Oh, I got no common sense. I got nobody there to believe. Somebody, anybody find me somebody to love? Anybody find me someone to love? I got no rhythm. I just keep losing my beat. I'm alright. He's alright. I just gotta get out of this prison cell. Someday I'm gonna be free. Find me somebody to love. 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 what you're doing to me. I have spent all my years in believing you, but I just can't